Embrace the epitome of luxurious 55-plus living in this exceptional detached townhome. Unveil the perfect blend of elegance and convenience with an open floor plan that seamlessly connects spacious living areas. Step onto the inviting Trex deck or the serene cement patio, both offering enchanting spaces for relaxation or entertaining. Feel the allure of nature as your backdrop, with the property backing up to a wetland in Shannon Park, ensuring tranquility and privacy. The owner's bath, a true sanctuary, has been tastefully remodeled, creating a spa-like retreat within your own home. The 2,200 square feet lower level with a walk-out to patio is ready to be finished, offers spacious storage and an opportunity for a future living space, bedroom and bathroom. Take advantage of the close proximity to the clubhouse, pool, and courts for tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball, fostering a sense of community and recreation. Set on a prime lot, this property elevates your one-level living lifestyle,